friends, welcome to the Tech Lizard channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI G255F 24.5-inch Full HD gaming LCD. So friend, MSI introduced a 24.5-inch Full HD gaming LCD display utilizing a rapid IPS panel on 3rd January, and this gaming monitor provides a vivid visual experience with 300 nit brightness, contrast ratio of 1000 extended color gamut coverage including Adobe RGB, DCI-P3 and sRGB. Its wide viewing angle of 178 degrees ensures clear visuals from various perspectives. This gaming monitor offers a multitude of features to enhance the gaming experience. And the MSI G255F offers a high-speed gaming experience with its 180Hz refresh rate and 51 millisecond response time. It also features adaptive sync technology for variable refresh rate. Additionally, it incorporates useful functions such as night vision, which automatically enhance visibility in dark screen, flicker-free technology to reduce screen flickering, and blue light reduction for minimizing blue light emissions, contributing to a more comfortable viewing experience. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.